Here's how to transfer apps from your old Android phone to your new one. First, you need to go ahead and on your new phone, open Google Play Store. Log into the same Google account you used on your old phone. This allows the Play Store to remember your previously downloaded apps. Now tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Here in this page, you need to go ahead and look for the Sync App to Devices option. If you see the option, you can go ahead and sync your devices and your apps will automatically transfer. Option B is if Sync Apps to Devices isn't available on your phone, you can go to Manage at the top right. Then tap on this Device option and tap on this drop-down menu and you'll see the Not Installed option. Go ahead and tap on that. This will show you all the apps you've downloaded with your account, but they aren't currently on your phone. Select the apps you want to install and tap on the download button, which is usually at the top right, and your apps will download to your new phone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.